عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Dear students, our lesson today inshallah about classify triangles. Classify triangles. Topic 16, lesson 2. We will classify the triangles. What is the meaning of triangle? Triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. I will classify the triangle by 2 things. First, I will classify it by angles and the second one by sides. So I will take this one first by their angles. Look at the first one here. All the interior angles, acute angles. So I will call this triangle acute triangle. To call it acute triangle, must have 3 acute angles. Okay. Number 2, obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle, 1 obtuse angle and 2 acute angles. Which one the strongest one? I will name the triangle by its name. The obtuse triangle, the strongest one. So I will call this triangle obtuse triangle. Number 3, I have 1 right angle and 2 acute angles. You think which one the strongest one? Yes, the right angle. So I will call this triangle right triangle because it has 1 right angle. So I will call it right triangle. It's okay. Then I will classify by their sides. By their sides, I will look at the length of the sides. Okay. Look at the first one here. Look at this sign. It means I have 3 equal sides. 3 equal. So I will call this triangle equilateral. Equilateral. So 3 congruent sides. 3 congruent sides. And always the equilateral has 3 congruent angle also. Okay. The second one here, look at those sides. It means I have 2 sides the same length. It means I will call it isosceles triangle. No one the same length. So this is called scalene. Scalene. None of them the same length. Okay. Let's start the class work. Classify each triangle by its sides and then by its angle. You hear my cat? She wanna me. Okay. Then first I will classify by its sides and by its angles. Okay. First, number 3, look at here. Look at the 2 sign here. It means I have 2 equal sides. 2 equal sides means what? Yes, Razan, excellent. 2 equal sides means isosceles. Wait. Isosceles. Only isosceles? No. He asked about by its angle also. By its angles, all of them acute angle. So it has another name, acute. So isosceles acute triangle. Excellent, Hannah. Number 4. All of them, look at here, all of them have the same sign here. It means I have 3 equal sides. 3 equal sides means what? Equal. Yes, Rimas. Excellent. Equilateral. Equal means 3 equal sides, means equilateral. By their angles, look at the angles, the interior angles, all of them acute. So, yes, لوجين. Acute triangle. So, equilateral, acute triangle. Here I have the little square box here, and all of them here, all of the sides, not the same length. I know it. By their sides, I will call this what? Yes, Lolia, excellent. None of them the same length, so scalene. By their angles, yeah, I know it. Yes, Lama. Right triangle. Scalene, right triangle. Number 6, look at here. By their angle, I think, teacher, it's right angle. I think, look, it doesn't have the square box. It must. No, so I will try it. I will bring the small piece of paper here to try it, and I will turn a little bit to be in the same line here. Look at look at this here. It's greater than the edge of the paper, so it is what? Yes, greater than 90 degrees. It means what? Yes, obtuse triangle. Excellent. And then I will classify by its sides. None of them the same length. Scalene. Scalene obtuse triangle. Yes, excellent, Sama. Number 7, by its sides. You think by its sides, is there any sides the same length? No. So this called what? Yes, Aisha. Scalene. None of them the same length. By their angle, it's clear. Called what? Right triangle. Number 8, by its sides, none of them the same length. So it's called scalene. I don't have here scalene, so I will copy one from number 7. Wait. Okay. Then this called scalene. Then I will classify by its angle. Look at here. It's, yes, more than the right angle, so this called obtuse triangle. Scalene obtuse triangle. Number 9, by its sides. Yes, I know, it's clear. I have 2 equal sides, so this called isosceles. By its angle, I have the little square box down, so it's a clear right triangle. Isosceles right triangle. Number 10, 2 equal sides. 2 equal sides means what? Isosceles. Yes. Excellent, yes. Seba. All of them acute angle, so isosceles acute triangle. All of them the same length here, number 11. So equal means what? Equilateral. By their angle, all the interior angles acute, so this called what? Acute triangle. Equilateral acute triangle. Number 12, 2 equal sides. It means isosceles. By their angles. Teacher, it looks like the right angle, but it doesn't have the square. It must have the square, teacher. Okay, let's try. I will put the small piece of paper here. Look here, it's more than the right angle. More than the right angle. It means obtuse triangle. Yes. See you in the next class, inshallah.